Hey guys, this is Muaz, and today I'm going to unbox something different than before, and it's the new PS4. Not the Pro one, but the Slim one. So here's the new PS4, the PS4 Slim. I bought it from Lazada again. At that time, it was the single sale thing. On 11th of November, yeah, that's 11/11. It cost around 1,000 Malaysian ringgit. It was hard to get that cheap because usually it costs around 1,300 and something, or way above that. So yeah, it's great. So here's at the back, it shows what you can do and some PS Plus features on using the app. And you can also watch Netflix or stream to YouTube or Twitch live, or you can watch them. And there's also PlayStation Store, you can buy games from there also. So let's unbox it. So here's some paperwork. Quick start guide, yeah, English, and some safety guides. Yeah, some safety guides. I thought it was warranty, but it's like the original one. It still have the same accessories like the mono headset, cables, power adapter, HDMI cable, and also the charging port for the controller. So let's see. Yes, there it is. The new controller that have the lighting above this, I suppose as before, and it's not so glossy as before, like the old one. I guess they might cut some price there. It's cheaper than the original one. So I think this is the actual console. So here's the console itself. Let's open it. So here's the PS4. Wow, it's so slim. It's smaller than the old one. It's kind of not that heavy anymore. And yeah, look. And there's no capacitive buttons anymore. It's tactile buttons. So yeah. So that's it, guys. That's the unbox of the PS4 Slim. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.